In as much as we talk about healthy vagina, we should also forget that it has some food and diet that we are supposed to take so that we'll be able to have healthy vagina. We should also note that our diet has direct impact, direct proportion, direct indication, or direct results on our vaginal health. The kind of food we take in, the diet that we take in has direct impact on our vaginal health. Certain foods like garlic, yogurt, cranberries, and leafy vegetables and leafy greens help boost our vaginal health. And these yogurt, cranberries, green leafy vegetables, and green leafy foods, cranberries and garlic and stuff that I'm talking about, the ways that these foods help us to improve our vaginal health are: one, they do this by preventing yeast infection. These foods helps us to prevent yeast infection. They also help us to regulate pH or maintain the pH of our genital or vaginal area. As I've talked earlier on, as I said earlier on, pH of our vagina needs to be maintained in order to get rid of infections. So these foods we take in should be able to maintain the vaginal pH. They should be able to prevent yeast infection. And these foods that we are talking about, that we are going to take in or we should take in, should help reduce inflammation. So reduction of inflammation, prevention of yeast infection, and regulating pH balance in the vaginal area is one of the ways these foods works, so that they will be able to help us get healthy or a healthier vagina. In addition to this food, we should note that it is very important to maintain a balanced diet, and that's varied diet, to support overall health. So for you to have a healthier vagina and stuff, balanced diet is one of the things that we should consider. We should note. So eating diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help support the immune system, which can in turn promote our vaginal health. Eating diets which are rich in vegetables, eat more fruits, and less, or let's say lean protein, can help you gain vaginal health, but can support your immune system. So when your immune system is strong, your ability to fight vaginal infections is also boosted. One of the areas that we shouldn't forget too is being hydrated enough. You have to be well hydrated so that you can have a healthier vagina, because the cells of our vagina needs to be hydrated so that they can produce enough discharges, so that these discharges can fight off and clean away all the sloughs and the dead cells and the harmful bacteria in the area. So being hydrated is one of the major factors. Taking enough fluids. Make sure you are hydrated enough so that your ability to fight infection or vaginal infection will be boosted. Being much hydrated helps in the elasticity and lubrication of the vaginal area. When you are fully or enough hydrated, it helps in the lubrication. It helps you to have enough lubrication. It helps in the elasticity, the ability of your vaginal cells to be elastic, relax, and contract is also assured when you are enough hydrated. The ability of your vaginal area to lubricate very well is also assured when you are well lubricated, and this will help in fighting off infection, and this will help in you getting a healthier vagina. Another important food group to consider for vaginal health is probiotics. And probiotics are beneficial bacteria which help in the balance of the community of bacteria in the area. So there is a group of beneficial bacteria in the vaginal area. As I've always stated, we have beneficial bacteria in our vaginal environment. They're a group or a community of that bacteria. That's the beneficial bacteria. So we have some foods that we take that will boost their activity. So these probiotics are foods that we can take to boost the activities of the beneficial bacteria. These bacteria which are beneficial, these bacteria which are beneficial help to fight against the harmful bacteria or microorganisms that will come to our vaginal area. So probiotic foods include the probiotic milk, the pinkles, the yogurt, the miso soup, the sour cream, the kefir, bitter chocolate, the aged cheese. All these foods are probiotic foods that you can take so that it can boost your beneficial bacteria in the vaginal area so that infections at the vaginal area will be fought or will be kicked off.